off, I washed my face, just a quick, actually I didn't do that.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you.
Welcome to Brianna's DIY world. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup routine and how I do all that. It's fairly easy and simple, and it takes me like less than 10 minutes, so I like it. First off, I like to just give my face a quick rinse, and especially if you have little stuff in your eye, like your crusties, so get rid of them. Next, I take a little bit of coconut oil, not that much, and I rub it underneath my eyes. Sometimes we'll do stuff off, and then in the summer I don't do anything else, but in the winter my face just gets dry, so I like to rub it a little bit around the rest of my face. So if I have any blemishes, which is like acne that's causing problems, then I use the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, but since I don't today, I will not be using it. So skipping to face powder. This is Airspun Loose Face Powder. I love this stuff. This is it. You just put a little bit into the lid. Then you get your brush. And I just go all over my face until it is dry. Alright, so currently I'm just using this blush from Estee Lauder. I'm not really big on blushes at all, so I just kind of use whatever I got. I got this one for my aunt, and so I just use it. But I'm not big on blush at all. Maybe I should be, but I'm like, whatever brand, whatever I have. Next, I take this little cute little brush, and I brush my eyebrows. And then I take this little brush, and I take the Maybelline Ultra Brow stuff. Well, I kind of go darker. I'm like really into the dark eyebrows, and I have been for years, and it doesn't seem to be quite as dark as I like it anymore. So I might be changing that up. And I'm not like any into this. I don't know. I just kind of go with it and then fix it later. And then I would just like to make sure that it's even in the middle. Your eyebrows will never be like super perfect, but the closer you get, the better. Alright, so now they look kind of crazy and big, but it kind of just will blend in with everything else once it's all done. So my current palettes are 3 different ones. I'm really just into Maybelline palettes. So I use the nudes, which this one's like running out, so I kind of just use that sometimes. Actually, I don't really use that one as much anymore. I use like 1 or 2 colors. I need to get a new one. Actually, I like the black in it. The black's really good. I do like a lot of the other colors in it. It's just I used them all up, so I need to get more. Then I also use the Maybelline 24K nudes. I actually went to get the normal nudes and they were out, so I was like, I'll try this one out. So that's why I'm having this one. But I do like a lot of the colors in it. And then I also use the Maybelline Chai Latte. It's 22Q, the little one there. And I like to use that too. So let's see what look we're gonna go for today, because I have a lot of different looks. I don't feel like I have a daily one. It's just kind of whatever my mood and if I want to go over a lot. So I have my eyebrow brush, and I'm gonna go with this color on the 24K Maybelline nudes. And how I start out with mine is I start at the edge and then I slowly bring it over in the crease. And then I bring it down, and you want to make sure you get all the way to the eyelash, and then I like to bring it up too. Now this looks really like stiff and ugly right now, but we're gonna blend it in, so that is okay. And for the eyeshadow, how I'm doing it, you want to make sure that you do use some kind of pressed powder, because if your face is too oily, this won't blend very well. Okay, so once you've gotten that, you'll just blend. I blend it with my finger first. So then I still have dark on my my brush, so then I like to go in a little bit more and in like the corners darken it up. And I have no clue how a lot of people do it. I think they just do like rags. I usually just get the cheapest toilet paper you can find at like Walmart. 60 cents for a 4-pack. And I just think it's easy to clean off your brushes in between. So this is why one of the big reasons I use the chai latte is for this color right here. I like to use that will be my blending color. So I just kind of take that and we'll just try to blend in this darker color so it's not as stiff. And then in between this, I like to clean off my brush because I don't want any dark to get in the other area. It's just trying to blend it in a little more. But if I don't, then I seem to have issues and the black will come in when it's not supposed to. Alright, so you have more of like a smoky look there. It's looking a lot better. Some days this doesn't always turn out as like well as it is today. So sometimes you need to blend it in a little more, sometimes you don't have to. And then I'm just gonna take this color, this little silverish, and then just at the crease, put some gold. So then I just take a cotton ball and I like to just kind of go around my eyes and to get any flakes or and even make sure everything's evened out. I just take the Maybelline Faulties Volume Express and I like to use waterproof, and I just apply that, and you want to make sure you get the back of your eyelashes. One of my favorite lip glosses lately has been the Estee Lauder High Gloss. Got this from my aunt too, so I just kind of use whatever I like. I literally like cream colors. And lip gloss is just easy because they don't get everywhere. Here is my everyday makeup look. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and also do the notifications so you know when I have new videos posted. I post every Thursday and Friday night at 6 p.m. So keep an eye out for those, and I hope you have a wonderful day and have fun doing whatever you want, or don't do makeup. I actually am really excited because soon, I've been wanting this for forever, but do no makeup for a week. And because I'm always like, makeup, 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 but I really want to do a week without makeup, so keep an eye out for that. There's another, guess it's much for you, but I hope that you